As a Kotlin developer, you know how hard it is to identify performance issues in your mobile apps. No matter if the issue is on a screen that is freezing or you are getting feedback from the end users that the app is getting slow, you're probably going to end up either having a look to the logs or adding manual tracing into your code to try to figure out what the issue was. So, if you are using the Koin framework, we have good news for you today. We just introduced a new debugging tool that automatically detects those performance issues in your apps. Okay, so let me show you how it works. For each application, you have a dashboard, including different information about the app vitals, and immediately after, the list of issues that has been automatically identified. Those issues may be related to long component resolutions blocking the main thread, or some other components blocking the background thread execution, or some dependencies getting slow in terms of resolution. Those issues can also be related to the slow app startup time. So all that is automatically available and detected by the platform. So for each issue, you can click to get additional information about first time that it was seen, number of versions that has been impacted by the issue, and also having a description and additional information about what was the issue about, including what is the component that has been impacted. You also have a list of the impacted sessions, so you can click in each one of those sessions to do a further investigation and fix this performance issue. For each one of the issues that is appearing, you go to this sequence of events view in which you can drill down to really track the exact line of code that is causing the problem. Notice here that the same interface is showing different issues for the same user sessions that can be correlated or not. And to help you with this investigation, there are also other graphical views in which you can see how each component is executed among the different threads. You have also a view of the memory allocation, for example, how many dependencies a component requires, and also some screen navigation, in case of the issue was related to that. But wait, there is more. If you are using Android Studio or IntelliJ, there is an official Koin IDE plugin in which you can visualize and manage your Koin configurations, but also directly connect to the debugging tool and visualize the list of issues that has been detected right in your IDE. For each one of the issues, you also have the number of impacted sessions, and you can click in one of those issues to go look for more details and continue the investigation directly in the debugging tool. If you want to give it a try, please go to the Kotzilla.io website. You can create a developer account. It's free, and please follow all the Getting Started tutorials that are publicly available. Thank you for watching.